Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make it so that when you click on a sprite, that it will display some text in your interactive collage project. Okay, so I am creating an interactive collage about a wizard, and this wizard likes to talk to their friend, the skeleton, and so we're going to make it so that we have an event, and the event is the thing that will cause all of the code underneath it to run when this event happens. So in this case, when this sprite is clicked, so it will do something. I want to make it say something. So I'm going to have it say, I have a friend that is a skeleton. Drag another one in. We like to chat. And I'm going to change how long it's going to say this. So the first one will be for 3 seconds, and the next one will be for 2 seconds. So now when I click on this particular skeleton, it's going to say, I have a friend that is a skeleton. We like to chat. Okay, that's how you display some text by making it so that when you click on it, it will say something, or maybe even think something like, in your particular project. So that's a very simplified version of things that you can do. But if you take a look at the interactive collage that I created in the example project below, you can see that you can add in a bunch more different things. Like you can actually make it so that it switches to different backdrops, it'll move around, change the size, change different costumes, maybe even make some different sound effects, all sorts of really cool things that you can do whenever you click on a particular sprite. So if you're interested in some more advanced things that you can do with code, just simply experiment with the different blocks in here. Instead of just making it say something, maybe also make some sound, or maybe make it move, things like that. Check out the example project below if you're interested in seeing how this particular project works. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.